I know that you work with motor vehicle accident patients. What are some of the goals that they have coming out of the inpatient setting that they want to achieve in the outpatient setting?
Well, they all want to drive as soon as they get back out. The first thing
Yes.
is, when can I get my license again? And so um, my goals are different than their goals. Of course, we're going to work with what they want to get back to, but sometimes I need to coach them. Okay, well, before you can drive, let's first start on like, can you just make yourself breakfast? Or can you just even get out of bed by yourself? So,
So, what does the course of treatment look like for someone that's just had a motor vehicle accident? I know that it really varies according to the severity.
yeah, for sure.
I guess, like on your average
Okay.
of what you see, what do you
So
describe?
type of clients that I see are, I would say I do more of the higher function. I was the mild to moderate type of brain injuries. So just because I know some OT specialize more spinal cord injuries, more of the difficult physical injuries, and that's where I don't specialize in that area as much. So I do get more of the higher function individuals.
Okay.
So typically, recently, I've been getting a lot of younger adults, um, and they are like functionally physically doing well. So we do a lot of the focus is on more executive functioning, memory, and attention work.
Hmm.
Um, Usually they're either just started to live on their own and now they have to go back in and move in with the family member.
Okay.
So just they're trying to get their independence and then now they're back to depending on others and needing others again. So a lot of the rehab is I would start within the home, let's make sure you're independent again with your cooking, your cleaning, your ability to take care of yourself. And then I move into the community or back to work eventually.
Very cool.